What if you can turn any song into an AI music video in just one click? I'm going to combine AI data with the song I use for the outro of my videos. I'm going to combine the two together, and we're going to get a music video that looks like this. And that was the black metal version. Here is a pixel art version. Okay, how about a version where I'm not using AI data, I just literally upload the song and this is what we get.
Step into the world where AI thrives, tools and prompts to light up your lives, videos.
Today's tool is called FreeBeat AI, and it is absolutely incredible because you can take literally any song and create a music video in so many different styles. You can add in your own characters. There is a lot you can do, and it is all on a single click. It's very easy to do, very easy to use. And because you can use any audio, that means you can generate a song on something like Suno AI, and you can bring it in. You can be singing a song. Can you sing? Let me know in the comments below. Give it a try. I'd love to know if it works. But you can literally do anything, music to music video. So we are on Suno AI right now, and I'm going to generate a song about farm animals. And we're going to take that song and we're going to bring it in to FreeBeat, and we're going to make a music video all in this video extremely quickly. So we have downloaded our song from Suno AI. We're going to come here. We're going to click add music, and we're going to upload the song that we just made. And here we go. It is uploading and we can see it. So now we have an option. We can do the entire song. We can do a preset. We can say, okay, we only want to do 2 minutes. Maybe we want to do 30 seconds. We have a lot of different options of how we can generate a music video for our song. So I'm only going to do 15 seconds for this one. But again, you can just click the drop down and you can make it the full entire song. Up at the top here, we have some options. So we can choose character, and we can actually add in our own custom characters. So we can say, hey, we want to add in the farmer. We can upload our own farmer, or we can add a second character and they will start singing. We can also change the aspect ratio to whatever we want. We can change the quality from 720p to 1080p. We also have options for lyrics, and what this is going to do, it's going to pop up this screen where we have different options of how the lyrics will be displayed when you're watching it. So you can see how to look. You can actually hit play. I'm just going to make this for a second so you can actually see what it looks like. The lady's drinking coffee, and you can see it kind of like play through. We have different options. We can adjust the font, the colors, the effects, how it pops in, the animations. There is so many different options, and you can like literally adjust everything about your music video. We can keep going. We can change the style. And this is where it gets kind of crazy. And in the beginning of this video, I showed you some of the styles. So you can see all the different options here, but the pixel art one was really, really cool. There's even sketch. And if you don't like any of these, you can even click here and you can write in your own custom theme, custom style on how you want your music video to be. So for the sake of our farm video, let's choose anime. That just seems kind of fun. We're going to hit confirm. And now we can actually describe the vibe of our music video. So we can just say, hey, make a video for this song, and it's just going to figure out what we want and what it should look like. Or we can just add in our own vibe. So we can describe our vibe here, and we have a fun kids themed music video with a farmer on his farm with his animals. And now we're going to hit create. And what's going to happen is you're going to see here, we're going to get a confirmation saying, hey, once you start this, you can't change the resolution. On the right above my head is it's going to fine tune the model. It's going to fine tune the music. You're going to see things are getting created on the right. And then on the left is an actual agent that is going through and making the music video. And as far as I know, this is the only agent that exists for music to music video. So you can see here, this is our prompt at the top, and now it's analyzing the music, it's processing it all, it's defining the initial research, it's analyzing the song, it's figuring out everything it needs to make our song, our little clip, our little snippet come to life. So you can see how much is going, and I'm just trying to keep up with it really to explain to you what it's doing, but it is absolutely incredible how quick this is working considering we're making an entire music video and just literally go. We set some settings, one click, boom, music video. Let's go look at it now. Our video is on the right here, ready to download or view.
Down by the barn where the rooster crows, a cow does a dance with her wiggly toes. The pigs roll around in a muddy parade. It's a farmyard party every day.
Yeah, that was really cool. And that's only like a 15-second clip that we made out of Suno. So imagine if we did this for like the entire music video. We can literally make an entire music video with just like one click, which is wild. And that's really cool. And then if we want, we can do some like follow-up messages on the left here. We can say, hey, can you do this to the video or do that? And it's able to do whatever we ask. So let's try another example because this is a lot of fun. This time around, we're going to do a funny song about being a gangster. So we're going to use Suno AI to generate that. We're going to come to Gemini and we're going to put in a wannabe gangster, and we're going to use Nano Banana Pro to generate an image for us. Now we can come back to FreeBeat, we can upload our song, and just like before, we can decide how much of the song we want to generate our music video for. Let's come back to Gemini, let's see what it's come up with. There is our wannabe gangster, so we're going to use him. We're going to hit download. We're going to come back here. We're going to hit character, and now we can add a character, and you can have all the presets. We can add up to 2 characters. Who's going to be the star of our show? And we are adding our character in, and you can see he is there. It's this guy here from our Gemini, and we're going to come back to our agent. We're going to hit confirm, and now we can describe the vibe. And I'm going to put a funny song about a wannabe gangster. That's the vibe. And then we can choose the video style. So there are a lot of different options. Like I said before, we can write out our own. I'm going to use one of their styles. I was thinking illustration, which would be kind of fun. And then I also was thinking rock haze, but I think I'm going to go with this like bubblegum punk just because it seems kind of fun. And then I'm going to adjust this and how much I want it to do. And we can decide like how much we want to go. The green line is what's playing. So you can actually hit the play button. You can hear it. And then the white line is like the start and the end of our video clip. So this time around, we're going to do 30 seconds and we can hit create. And just like before, it's going to ask us to confirm. We're going to hit continue and it's going to get to work. Our agent is going to start making our music video for us. FreeBeat is a really cool tool because you can literally save hours of editing and it's really creative. It kind of like merges everything together, like the farm video. I thought that was really cool. So if you guys enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to subscribe because I cover AI on a regular basis so you can stay up to date with these really cool tools like this one. And as I mentioned before previously, the videos and prompts, you can see it's like completed and you can see like all the different ones that are like pending on the right. It's just making all of the assets it needs to bring our video to life.
I strut down the block with my plastic shade, acting tough in my discount sway. Got a water pistol tucked in my jeans. Call me the king of a bargain scheme. I'm a gangster in my mind, oh yeah. Living life with fake street flair.
We've only done music to video using the agent and all these different features. They also have like music cover videos we can do and video to music. So you can put in like a rhythm, a song, you can put really anything. And it's like, hey, what would it turn out to be? What will it actually come out to look like? So there are a lot of different options and that is just the agent aspect. If we come here and we go to Toolbox, we can actually see there are a bunch of other different creative agents that they have. So if we need like an idea to a full-length video, we can just like put in some information and it will come up with information for us. We can see like translate and dub. We can do things like that as well. So there are so many different options that FreeBeat offers, and we've only like scratched the surface with the music video generators, which I find to be a lot of fun, really easy to use, and the quality is really good. And you can just like upload these, send them off to friends, put them on YouTube, put them on TikTok, whatever you want to use with them, you can do it. You can create your music videos here. Love to know what your thoughts are about this one. I love FreeBeat. I think it's really cool. And if you want to use it, I'll have a link in the description below. You should be able to get like a discount. And on top of that, you help the channel, especially if you enjoyed this video. Click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe while you're down there because I cover AI on a daily basis. Like the video, it tells the algorithm, hey, I enjoy this type of content, I want to see more of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Have you had enough of that song? Here you go, one more time. Goodbye.